Welcome to ETM 130 PLC's practical test with Paul Prey and Zachary Scheible. We were given a boolean expression and we were asked to simplify it, make a truth table for it, and write a statement list. We were given A and B, or A, B, and C, or A, B, C, and D. We made our map there for the inputs and outputs. And then we used the absorption law to break it down and simplify it, which pretty much is the equation there, which will take any like number and get rid of any other number because it would be irrelevant. So we did that twice, bringing us to A and B, or A, B, C, and D. And we did it again to just give us A and B. This is our truth table that we are going to prove out for you here in just a moment. Then we were asked to write a statement list. So I corresponded the A with 1, B with 2, C with 3, and D with 4. I'll show you over here. We were able to program it into our PLC module. 1 and 2, load 1 and 2 and 3, or load 1, load 2, load 3, load 4, or load, output 200, and then end. It's pretty much output X and loading A through D on the number scale. And you can kind of see a schematic of it drawn out there. This is our input output module to show for push buttons A, B, C, and D, or 1, 2, 3, and 4, with a single output, with the light being 200. So we wired up a sensor module here as well. We have 24 volts coming into it with this red line going on the brown cable. We have our neutral, or 0 volts, coming in on the blue cable. And then we have our black hooked up to 0 to give us the input there. And our 24 volts in jumpered over to our COM to power the internal power supply to make this whole thing work. You can see it here. If he puts it over there, then you can see the input command for 0, showing that that's working properly. Then we're going to prove out our truth table using buttons A or 1, B and 2, 3 or C, or 4 and D.
All right, so what we have is we've got our A, B, C, and D, and our truth table states that we have A and B. So if we push those two together, the light should turn on. A, B, and C. So if we push all 3 of these, the light should turn on. Or A, B, C, and D. So if we push all 4 down, this light should come on. So let's try A and B first. And the light did come on. We've got A, B, and C matched. The light turns on. Now we got A, B, C, and D, and the light turns on. So that is how our truth table works.
Perfect. And then with that, if any of them, if A and B aren't pressed simultaneously, no matter what the input is, it will not turn on until A and B is clicked. Oop. And that is it.
So that's how everything works. Thank you for watching.